Another addition of kitchen sink pasta. Boil whatever pasta you like, cut up some broccoli, and in a separate bowl, 2 egg yolks, but don't break them like I did, Parmesan cheese, and give that a quick mix. In a medium pan, drizzle in some oil, then throw in your protein. Here I'm using some cubed ham, frozen corn, toss in your broccoli, and give that a quick mix. Here I'm adding a small splash of cream, pesto which I made earlier in the week, pasta, giving that a quick toss, then turn off the heat. Almost done, add in your egg yolk and Parmesan mixture, toss until combined, then plate with fresh Parmesan on top. Super quick and simple, just using random stuff in the fridge.